How to stop being added to group chats on Messenger. So if you want to stop being added to group chats on Messenger, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Messenger, or you can also go with your Facebook as well. So open up your Facebook and then go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. Now from the profile, you need to go with the three horizontal lines, which will be in the top left, and then go with settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now, under your settings, under your audience and visibility, you will have an option of how people find and contact you. So tap on that. And once you tap on that, you need to just scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of friends on Facebook, deliver request to. Tap on it. You have to tap on don't receive request and then tap on save, which will be on the bottom. After you turn off requests from others on Facebook, that means they can't add you to group chats on your Messenger. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.